Beautiful. Let's go to 75% power while maintaining 6,500 feet at 220. We'll try this at different power settings. 6,500 feet at 220. So again, I'm throwing a combination of aircraft management and aircraft control at you at the same time.
Yep.
Perfect. I think you get the idea, the difference between aircraft control and aircraft management. It's our responsibility as the pilot to do both. We often think as pilots, oh, aircraft control. No. Aircraft control, and you got a plane to manage. When you become an airline captain, you got passengers and flight attendants to manage. Excellent.